बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। Hello, hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine, alhamdulillah. So guys, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and most beautiful and very latest crochet decoration ideas for your holiday festive. Guys, these are very trending, these are very beautiful, and these are very latest crochet collections for you guys. Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are super trending and very beautiful and very latest crochet ideas for you guys. I am very thankful to you all for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. You guys share this video with your friends and with your family members. You guys easily make these crochet patterns at home. These are very unique and most incredible collections for you guys. Hope so guys you all are doing well. These are very amazing, these are very unique and very pretty collections for you guys. Always keep supporting my channel, always keep watching my videos. I'm glad to see you all guys. Hope so you all are doing well. Always take care, always be happy. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. These are very beautiful, these are very amazing, these are very stunning crochet collections for you guys. Follow for more details. And these are very beautiful and very amazing and very latest collections for you guys. Keep supporting my channel, always keep watching my videos. And these are very beautiful, these are very amazing and very latest collections for you guys. So take care, be happy, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care, Allah Hafiz guys.